Hello there, beautiful person. Thank you so much for clicking on my video today. Welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie. So for today's video, I have a clean with me. So I'm going to be doing a lot of cleaning. We are going to be switching out bed sheets, washing bed sheets. I'm going to take my curtains and I'm going to wash those. And we are just going to organize and to make sure we wipe everything down. And I'm going to be looking through things, seeing what I want, what I don't want. So I really hope that you guys like this video. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it and get started. Okay guys, if you hear my brother talking, sorry. I'm going to show you a quick overview of what the room looks like, and then we're going to jump in and get started. I think I'm going to do it a little section at a time. I'm going to go get some grocery bags. My bed sheets that I'm going to be putting on my bed are currently in the wash right now, and I'll have all my little babies here, my little puppers. So I'm going to do that. But yeah, I think I want to start in this corner over here, just to kind of clean that up. But I am going to give you an overview of everything right now. So here's this corner over here. It's just a hot mess. We have the trash can. Got this over here. It's just not looking too cute right now. I mean, it's not terribly dirty, but I do have a lot of things where they shouldn't be. So we're going to clean that up. Might do a makeup declutter. Don't know yet. I am going to be decluttering the closet. So I might break this video down into like 2 videos, because I don't think my camera battery is going to last me that long. So yeah, sorry. My babies are playing over there. But yeah, let's get started.
I got this good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh. And time to time I am wondering, who is she to me? I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. She's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Can live without. Time after time after time, I'm wondering, who is she to me? I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Your love is on fire. How it burns, your love is on fire.
We got this big old bag of trash. So this is pretty much clean. I need to put that away. But everything over here is clean, as you can see. Wiped everything down. The curtains are back up. They're just a little wrinkled. I still have to switch out my bedding, which I'm gonna do. I'm currently washing my brother's bedding, so once that is out of the washer, I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in. But yeah, everything looks pretty good, guys. Pretty clean. Smells good. This ottoman needs to go eventually because my dogs have peed on it a lot since they've been puppies, and I've cleaned it and stuff, but as you can see, there's a lot of like stains on it. So not the most appealing. I put Clorox on it a whole bunch of times and it stains it really weird. So there's that. But for the most part, everything looks pretty good.